Manipur can be saved only by regional political party, said independent candidate R.K. Somendro during MPP's Youth Day observance. Floral tributes were paid to late Sanakya Sangoisana at Anglo-Manipur War Complex as a part of the occasion at Thobal Athokpam. Speaking further, R.K. Somendro expressed his fear of losing the state's territory integrity if people cast vote to the candidates who want to demolish the same. He further affirmed to seek justice for the people of Manipur and will go extra miles for future generations to sort out all hurdles. MPP President S. Brojain stated that the ensuing Lok Sabha election is going to envision the fate of Manipur. Praising MPP as the only regional political party who knows the sentiment of people, he urged the public to take the opportunity of this election to save Manipur. He stated that Youth Day was observed to persuade youths of today's society on how young Sanakya Sangoisana sacrificed his life in Anglo-Manipur War.
Kainda tawdabi mona tawna pasin uda asina thawai jam nuaite amu ju khalle maitai khuju hingi duri ba kan ba yawe wakhan dida du kena di hairi ngangini laugini manpu kanje hai ta gadi akhoi regional party MPP masina tadi upaji lei roi मैम तभी बतावी जब दिखंग दे तो ताना बजो कोई मोय नमदना कोई मोय सिनि मेकअप थोन गिनी हाइजे